Dystopia is the opposite of utopia. While utopias imagine ideal worlds with peace, equality, and happiness, dystopias present nightmarish realities where things have fallen apart. These are often societies ruled by authoritarian regimes, plagued by environmental collapse, or driven by dehumanizing technologies. The characters in these stories live in fear, oppression, or despair, struggling to survive or sometimes to rebel against the system. George Orwell's 1984. In this novel, we see a totalitarian government that monitors every move its citizens make through telescreens and manipulates truth itself with slogans like war is peace, freedom is slavery, Big Brother isn't just watching, he's controlling minds, erasing history, crushing individuality. It's a chilling warning about the dangers of unchecked power and propaganda. Another iconic dystopian work is Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale. Set in the fictional Republic of Gilead, this story explores a society where women are stripped of their rights and reduced to roles based on their fertility alone. The oppressive regime uses religion to justify its cruelty, showing how extremism can warp morality and destroy freedom. It's a haunting reflection of real-world issues like gender inequality and the erosion of human rights. But dystopias aren't just about scaring us, they're also about making us think. They hold up a mirror to our own world, maybe a black mirror, highlighting flaws and warning us about where current trends might lead if left unchecked. For example, Aldous Huxley's Brave New World. It envisions a future where people are conditioned from birth to conform, addicted to pleasure, and unable to question authority. Instead of force, this society uses comfort and distraction to keep control. A commentary on consumerism and the loss of critical thinking. So why do we love dystopias so much? Because they tap into our fears and hopes at the same time. On one hand, they show us the worst case scenarios, surveillance states, climate disasters, or AI taking over. On the other hand, they give us heroes who fight back, reminding us that even in the darkest times, resistance is possible. Stories like The Hunger Games inspire us to confront injustice and imagine better ways forward. Dystopias also let us explore big questions. What does it mean to be free? How far would you go to protect your family or your values? And what happens when technology advances faster than ethics? Take movies like The Matrix or Blade Runner, which blurred the lines between humans and machines, forcing us to rethink what makes us truly human.